excuse me. It's your bandana? Oh, okay, okay. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Hey, what's good, bro? Hey, you know where McDonald's at?
Huh?
You know where McDonald's at?
I think it's over that way.
My nose stuffy as hell, bro. Oh, shit.
Man, what the fuck, Jim?
Bro, I'm sick, bro.
Man, what you doing, boy?
I'm sorry, bro.
Yeah, you bugging, bro.
My fault, bro. I don't. Oh, shit. God, man, just chill out, bro. Oh, shit. Oh, damn, man. Fuck, bro. Huh?
Hey, what's your problem?
Yo, I'm sick, bro. I'm sick.
What's your problem? Hey,
I got.
Oh.
YouTube. What's good, bro? My fault, y'all boys. I'm sick today, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, shit. Hey, y'all boys. Today's video, y'all see the title. Y'all see the thumbnail, man. Today's video, bro, I'm pranking people, man. I'm sneezing on people. But really, I'm not really sneezing on people. I'm spraying them with the bottle. Still, I know they gonna get mad and shit. Hey, you gonna see a reaction, man. If y'all new to the channel, sub to the channel, bro. But anywho, man, we going with the video. Hey.
Technical difficulty. We have a tech.
Hey, what's good, bro? Hey, you know where McDonald's at?
Huh?
You know where McDonald's at?
I think it's over that way.
My nose stuffy as hell, bro. You said where?
It's like over that way.
Over that way?
Yeah.
Alright, for sure. Oh, shit. Oh, damn, bro. What happened, bro? Chill. Chill, bro, chill. Damn. My bad, bro. Look like I got me a hood nigga, man. He got white forces on. He might be a soft nigga, you never know. If y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I might get my ass beat by a boxer for real. Oh, shit. Oh, damn, man. Fuck, bro. Huh?
Hey, what's your problem?
Yo, I'm sick, bro. I'm sick.
What's your problem? Hey,
I got. Oh, shit.
Man, what the fuck, Jim?
Bro, I'm sick, bro.
Man, what you doing, boy?
Oh, shit, I got corona. Bro, chill.
Get the fuck on from over here, my nigga.
Shit, bro.
Man, what's wrong with you, boy?
I got corona.
Come on, boy, that's nasty, man.
I got corona, bro.
Boy, that's nasty, boy.
Bro, you don't wanna get close.
Boy, stop playing with a real
My
nigga,
fault,
boy.
bro.
You out here fucking around, boy.
My fault, bro.
Where you from, boy?
My fault. I got corona. Bro, you gonna get sick, bro.
Who ran from over here?
Alright, bro. Chill, bro. Damn. I see two niggas. Hey, they big. They're like football players, boy. Achoo! What happened? I'm sick, bro. My fault, bro. Finna get a Dominican, man. Achoo!
Bro, what the fuck? You trying to do that shit?
Yo, my fault, bro. I'm sick, bro.
Explain that shit on me right here with my girl, bro.
I got corona, bro.
Come on, bro. What the
My
fuck?
fault. Hey, you gotta get checked, though. I ain't gonna lie. I got corona, bro. I ain't gonna cap. Chill out, bro. My fault, bro. I don't. Oh, sick. God, man, just chill out, bro. Bro, you good?
Nah, fuck no, fuck that.
I'm sick, bro.
Bro, fuck that.
My fault, bro. I'm sick, bro. You
I'm here with my
don't.
girl, but you trying to spray that shit on me? Come
Nah,
on,
bro. Nah, hey, yo, it's a prank, bro. It's a prank.
No.
Look, the camera right there, bro.
I'm gonna call 80.
Got who? What you mean? It's a prank, bro. Yeah, that's chill, bro. It's a prank. You don't mind if I use that, though, right?
Nah, go ahead.
Bet. Appreciate it. Alright, we gone. Oh, she don't turn good on me, boy. Hey, excuse me. It's your bandana? Oh, okay. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Damn. Oh, fuck. Achoo! Oh, shit. Oh, shit, bro. I gotta coming up with a cold, bro. Fuck. What YouTube video? I put on this shirt. You see what I like, comment, subscribe, man. Shit. Choo.
Hey,
Fuck, bro.
Hey, what's up, man?
What happened?
Hey, what you doing, bro?
What happened?
You just came over here and sneezed on me.
Bro, I was like, I'm sick, bro. My fault, bro. I'm just sick.
Hey, you might got COVID or something.
My fault, bro. I'm tripping, bro. My fault, bro. I might do got COVID. You gotta get that shit checked, though. I ain't gonna lie.
Wildin', man.
My fault, bro. My fault. Bro, we
just
good?
saying,
We good, bro?
Like,
You good, bro?
You can't be doing all
Chill
of
out,
that
bro.
over here,
Jump
dog.
you, bro.
Hey, bro.
Oh shit, bro. Bro, chill, bro. Chill. Bro, chill, bro. You wanna get more sick, bro? Bro, back up, bro. You ass tripping, bro.
Just saying, dog. Hey, you can't be
good?
coming over here sneezing on people.
Yeah, you right, bro. I'm just walking by, bro. It just happens, bro.
Alright, bro, you tripping.
That shit contagious,
Tripping,
bro.
bro.
You better go ahead and check, bro. All right, bro. Chill.
Alright, man. Stay
Yeah,
with that, bro.
it's a prank, bro. It's a prank, bro. You good?
Oh,
Yeah, it's a prank, bro.
damn. Oh, you
Yeah.
freaking, bro. Bro, I thought you
my
was
fault,
for
bro.
real, dog.
Nah. It's a water bottle prank.
Oh,
I said stuck in my pants,
Type
but
shit,
yeah.
Type shit.
Type shit, yeah. You mind if I use that though, right?
Nah, you good, you good.
All right, bet, brody.
All right,
Stay safe.
man.